Everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the region and the language of your Google Pixel phone. So swipe down from the top right, go to this little option right here, settings, then go through here until we get to system. So you can see settings again, this little icon right there. So it says system. The first option on the top is language with the A and the little symbol right next to it. Language or region. Then just go to this plus icon and you can add your language in here. And there's probably going to be a lot. So let's see if they have any kind of like regional dialects. And I see Filipino in here. Let's see, do they have Cebuano? Nope. Well, actually they do. So they got some dialects in here too. So I think you can try this out now and you can move this up. It'll switch on over the language to that one you want. So we can go to OK now. And now I can't read so much. So you can go through here and just change these around. So I'm going to move up English so we can read this. And then we got the region down here. Temperature. So we can change the region if we want. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.